How to cast from phone to TV on your Samsung Smart TV. So first of all, on your phone, what you would have to do is open YouTube application. Now, on top of your screen, you will see a casting icon which is rectangular in shape. You have to select on it. Now, on your phone, you'll see the option of Link with TV code. Select on it. Now, you would have to enter the code that has been given on your TV. So in order to find that, you would have to open YouTube application. Now, once you come to YouTube, go to Settings. Now, from Settings, you'll see the option of Link with TV code. You have to select on it, and then a code will be given. On your phone, you would have to enter the code displayed on your TV screen. Then, after that, you would have to select on the option of link on your mobile phone. After that, you will be able to link from your phone to TV. Then, in order to cast from phone to TV, you would have to play a video on YouTube from your phone. Now, once you play a video from your phone, that will be casted on your Samsung Smart TV as well. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.